In this video, we'll be doing some degree radian conversion. We know that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So to use unit multipliers to convert, to go from degrees to radians, we would multiply by pi radians over 180 degrees. Then our degrees would cancel and we would end up with an answer in radians. To convert from radians to degrees, we would multiply by 180 degrees over pi radians, and our radian units would cancel and our answer would be in degrees. Let's do a few examples. Our first one, we're asked to determine the radian measure of each. So let me move this back down. So because we're changing from a degree measure, we're going to multiply this by the unit multiplier that has 180 degrees in the denominator. And these degree units would cancel off. And we know 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. So what we have then is 90 over 180, which is 1/2. So this converts to pi over 2 radians. Okay, again, we're converting from degrees. So we want our degrees to cancel off. 180 degrees then would need to be in the bottom. And then pi radians would be in the numerator. If you need to, you can write this as 60 over 180 times pi. And 60 over 180 is the same as 1/3. So this is pi over 3 radians. Do one more. Again, we're wanting to cancel the degree unit off. So we're going to multiply by the unit multiplier that has 180 degrees in the denominator and pi radians in the numerator. Again, we can write this as 300 pi over 180. The degree symbols cancel off. And 30 over 18 is the same as 5 over 3. So this is 5 pi over 3 radians. Now if we're converting from radians to degrees, this time we want to multiply by the unit multiplier that has radians in the denominator. So we have pi radians, and that's the same as 180 degrees. The radians cancel off, and we have the pi's also cancel off, and we have 3 times 180 degrees divided by 2. So this is 270 degrees. Another one, we want to multiply by the unit multiplier that has radians in the denominator. So this radian in the denominator will cancel this radians in the numerator. And 180 degrees in the numerator is cancel. And again, the pi's cancel. So this is 5 times 180 degrees divided by 6. So 6 divides 180 30 times, and then 5 times 30 is 150 degrees. And one more. Again, we want to cancel off radians. So we're going to multiply by the unit multiplier that has radians in the denominator, 180 degrees in the numerator. These cancel, and the pi's cancel. And I have 4 times 180 degrees divided by 3. 3 divides 180 60 times, and then 4 times 60 is 240 degrees.